Greetings traders! Welcome to our tutorial on how to verify your identity on the Tradewill app. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest from us. Let's get started. Open the Tradewill app on your device. Tap on the Account menu to initiate the identity verification process. Select Settings and then choose Verification. Alternatively, you can directly access it through the Identity Verification menu. Choose the type of identity you'll be using, either ID card or passport. For this example, we'll use passport. Enter your full name as it appears on your passport. Important, ensure that the name you enter matches the name on your bank account. Next, input your passport number. Don't forget to attach your passport's cover page and inner page before you click Next. Select the corresponding bank for your account. Enter the bank account number that you'll link to your Tradewill account. Note, this account will be used as the destination account for withdrawing funds. Once you've verified that the information you've entered is valid, click the Submit button to proceed. Double-check all the information you've provided before confirming. After confirming the accuracy of your data, click the Confirm button. Our team will review your verification request within a maximum of 1 business day. You can check the status of your verification by clicking on the Settings menu and viewing the status there. If you encounter any problems, please contact us through the live chat feature within the app. That concludes our tutorial for today. We hope it was helpful. See you in the next video tutorial.